All right. Happy Monday morning, fellow traders. It is 3:56 p.m. August 5th, Monday, August 5th here in the Philippines, and on the East Coast in the United States, it is 3:56 a.m. Monday, August 5th. Europe has just opened. Europe and Great Britain's opened just a little while ago, so markets are starting to kick off. Yen is still doing well, but there's some trades I wanted to recommend to you here. Let's see. We get started right away. All right, first will be the Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. As you can see here, the yen is still taking off. It is getting strong and it's getting strong with a vengeance. This is a seriously good trade here. Aussie JPY. You can look here. Right now, we're at that weekly boundary. But how everything is going, how that momentum is going, is going to break through that cloud more than likely. But we will see. This week will tell a lot. Just always use proper risk management, and you'll be fine. But this is a nice trade to consider because once you look at the daily here, you see it's all wide open. There's no boundaries. You know, it's already past this hump here in Ichimoku, which was 95.835. Looks like there's not another boundary till around, let's see here. Yeah, we're almost at that boundary of 89.218. So right now, this is still a good trade for you to consider. All right, next will be the odd Aussie dollar, Great British pound. This is another beautiful trade. Reason is, as you can see, you got the conversion line and baseline shooting straight up. So this one's still going to continue. If you look at the weekly here, I only look at the weekly on Mondays to get a good picture of the market. If you look at the weekly, it's wide open here. It's right at that boundary, this previous boundary back from 14 August of last year. So this is a yearly boundary that we're at. So this is going to be interesting. This is a really good trade to consider, especially once it breaks that 2.00307. It's probably going to take off even further. You can look at the dailies pointing straight up. 15 minutes looking good. You had a slight dip, but now it's going up. See, and we got another green cloud forming in the 15 minutes. So you minute traders, this is also a good trade to consider. All right, moving right along. CAD Swiss franc, same thing. Yes, we have a pullback going on, but you got to remember the markets have just opened, so everything is just kicking off now. Even with this pullback candle, I still would enter this trade in the sell. This is really good. Look at this 15-minute chart here. It's going down. It's going downward. More than likely, it's going to hit this cloud and go back down, or it can go through the cloud, the 15-minute cloud, go up to .62431 or around this area or so, and then continue to drop. So the Swiss franc is strengthening as well. Look at this weekly here. As we can see on the weekly, everything is down. It is getting strong, the Swiss franc against the Canadian dollar. So this is another good trade to consider. Next, yen again. Here we go. We'll look at the daily picture here. As you can see, it's still going down and it will continue for a while. It's in a very, very strong downtrend against most currencies. Yes, we're at the weekly boundary right here in the Ichimoku cloud. This is very important. We are at the base of the weekly cloud. Is it going to form? Is it going to do a twist and continue up? Or will it create a downward cloud? I strongly believe it's going to create a downward cloud, but use your own analysis and always use proper risk management. Remember protection. You don't know what's out there. You never know. So always use protection. Always use the proper risk management. I'm going to go to the daily real quick. See, it looks fantastic. This is the time to trade. This is when you make your money in the markets. This is what the traders, the big traders, been waiting for. This is the home run trades. These are the trades right now. This is going to be an awesome month, an awesome quarter. Starting off a great quarter here. All right. CAD JPY on 15-minute. Same thing. We're at the baseline and it hit the baseline. It looks like it's going to start another downward trend. If you do minute traders, you can wait till it gets past this conversion line and look for an entry. But this is a strong downward trend with the yen and the Swiss franc. They're both going strong. Okay. So let's go to the next one. All right. EuroCAD. EuroCAD, look at that strong bar. The Canadian dollar is weakening against the euro as well. Look at there. That is a strong, solid weakening trend, upward weakening trend for the Canadian dollar against the euro. Go out to the weekly, strong bars. I know you minute traders love your minute trading, so we're going to look at the 15-minute as well. Look at there. It doesn't get better than this. It bounced around on the cloud. Now it's going back up again. It's about to form another upward cloud. So this is a great trade to consider. All right, moving on. Okay, it looks really great. I'm going to have to jump in on that one myself. More than likely I will. All right, Swiss franc JPY. Another great trade. Okay, this is another great trade here. All signs downward. This doesn't take rocket science. Look at the 4 hour. This is how you trade. You wait until the chart shows you that it doesn't take a brainiac or a rocket scientist to enter a trade to find a good trade. When the market is ready, it's going to tell you it doesn't take much. All right, look at the 15-minute. Yeah, we're going back a little bit, but you can see it hit that 15-minute baseline right there. It went past a little bit, and boom, now it's within this 15-minute range. But if you look at the bigger picture, let's go out to the 2 hour time frame. As you can see, downward, the downward cloud is forming. It hit the conversion line in the 2 hour chart. It got rejected, so now it's starting the downward trend. Swiss franc, JPY, they're both getting strong across the board. So these are competing currencies right now, in my point of view. This is a good trade. Looks like a good trade, but you know, yeah, this is a really good trade. Reason is because the conversion line is straight down, broken through the cloud. You got your downward cloud forming already. You're waiting for that baseline to break through that cloud as well. So this is a really awesome trade as well. Lots of trades going on. Lots of great trades right now this great quarter. All right. Next is the Swiss franc Kiwi. Swiss franc Kiwi. A lot of trades going on, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of good trades. It's just the same thing. Downward trend. Strong downward trend. Downward clouds formed. Baseline pointing downward. Conversion line pointing downward. For your minute traders, same thing. Look at there. It's starting another downward trend. You can look at this 15-minute time frame. You'll see this price action is nowhere near this cloud. So more than likely, it will not break this cloud. It is going to continue to form this downward cloud as it is right now. So another trade to consider. All right, next will be Euro Kiwi. Another great trade. Euro Kiwi. The Kiwi is weakening against the Euro. Euro is getting strong. As you can see, it's got rejected because the market just opened, but I wouldn't worry about that too much. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, you got that big rejection candle going on, but you got to remember a lot of stuff is going on. Market's just starting. Traders are just analyzing, just like I have. So, it's Monday. Everything's just starting fresh. So, yes, you consider this rejection candle, but just wait. The day has just begun. The week has just begun because you look at this week, everything is broken all boundaries. It is going to continue. It looks fantastic. So for you minute traders, same thing. Look at all this green cloud. Price action nowhere near the cloud. So more than likely it's still going to continue to go up. All right. And Euro's getting strong as well. Look at the Euro ZAR Rand, South African Rand, same thing. Look at that great big old bar already formed. You got this boundary where the cloud is just about to hit the baseline, the upper baseline of the cloud right there. So, if you go out to the bigger picture, you'll see how that's about to break through. But let's look at the 15-minute real quick. Same thing. All the price action is far away from that cloud. So it's got room to run, folks. Room to run. Gonna go to the next one. Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. This is the trade I am in currently. Same thing. Price action far away from the cloud. So more than likely it's going to continue downward. The yen is coming back with a vengeance. But always remember to use proper protection because one thing about Japan Central Bank, or Japan in general, they do not like excessive moves of their currency in either direction, either strengthening or weakening. They do not like excessive moves. But they will warn you if they plan to intervene. They will give you fair warning. And when they warn you, take them seriously. Believe me, I learned the very hard way on multiple occasions. When they come out, when they're about to intervene, they're gonna warn you, and it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit you hard. So until then, just ignore all the other news and rumors. Right now, the Japanese yen is on a strong, strong, strong trend, and it's not going to end for a while. Looks like. Lastly, USD JPY. USD JPY looks great as well. It's on a downward trend, far away from the cloud, still continuing downward. Daily, look at that, downward. You got your cloud forming straight down. So this is a great trade. All right, those are the trades to consider right now. Good luck to you in profitable trading. I hope all goes well for you. I'll see you next time.